Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is Copy Properties From Part 2. This is going to be kind of like the eyedropper tool in a way. You can take the eyedropper and get this color and then fill in that one. But you still haven't changed the outline, and you have to do them one at a time. This is the color I just made from adding these two colors together. Now in Laser Engraver we don't use colors, but a few people that watch my videos aren't laser engravers, so this might help you. And you could do this with a gray, and if you were doing it in laser engraving, and you could do it with black if you wanted them all black. But if you will select all the ones you want to do, and then go up there to edit and copy properties, but this time check fill and outline and pen color and press OK, and then it's going to ask you to put the pointer where you want to copy it from, and you want to put it right there. So now you have a black box with that certain particular color. And let's just back up here. Let's make it for a laser engraver. Let's make it a light gray. Now this is, okay, let's make it 20% black. Now if you hold down the control button and add 10% to it, just a couple of clicks, now what color do you have is 215 versus 230. So it's in between those two. It's a little bit different shade of gray. Let's add a little white to it by holding down the control button and make it a real light gray. I mean something way below the gray, which is 10%, which is 30. Now, well, I just got it to 230. Let's go back and hold down the control button. Let's add some more white to it. And now you can see my numbers changing. It's really a light gray. Well, let's do this. Let's take another box and fill it in with that 10%. Look at the difference. It's just a lighter gray. So if you're a laser engraver and you wanted that gray and you wanted that outline and that point value, all you have to do is select all the ones you want to do, go up to edit, copy properties, outline pen color and fill, press OK, and then do this. And now it made all those the same color and the same thickness. And you wouldn't have to do these individually. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.